To link a credit card or debit card to your PayPal account is actually very simple. So the first thing we need to do is to open our web browser, and you want to go to the PayPal login page and you want to log into your account. In this case, I'm going to use my NordPass password manager, which you can get with the link in the description. So once you are signed in, you'll be taken to your PayPal dashboard, which will look something like this. So to link a card to your PayPal account, all you need to do is click on the Pay and Get Paid tab just at the very top, and then you want to click on the Money link Wallet menu. From here, it's going to give you a brief overview of how much you've got in your PayPal account, along with the currencies that are currently connected. However, if we scroll down, it will give you a list of bank accounts and cards that are linked to your PayPal account. So to link a card, you want to click on Add a New Card. And from here, you just want to enter in your card information along with your card type. So once you've done this, you want to click on Link Card. And once your card is successfully linked, you can scroll down on the Monies page and it will give you a list of all of the cards you've got connected to your PayPal account, where you can go ahead and start withdrawing and receiving money from your cards. And that is how you connect a credit or debit card to your PayPal account. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and pass on to someone who may find it helpful as well. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as I can.